Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select Loyalty Card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet, and it's done. Let's go back. Now select Gift Card. Similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.